Okay, so I just started over. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just filming a get ready with me for BeautyCon. This is the second day of BeautyCon, and yeah, I am just getting ready. I tried to film this yesterday, but it didn't look good. The angle was really strange. I just took all my makeup off and then restarted. My foundation was just like not looking good, so hopefully it looks good this time. I've already primed. I used the Philosophy primer, and I also have some of the MAC strobe cream on, and then this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Babe, my face got tan.
That's good.
Yeah, I did mix darkener in with my foundation to get it my face color. So that made me feel good about myself. Okay, so now I'm just using the Smashbox contour stick. Get my cream contour down. And I'm not going to put any on my nose. I just prefer doing my nose with just powder, I think. Just because I don't like it looking really heavy, because then it looks more like you have more makeup on. And I don't think it benefits me on my nose that much, honestly. I'm gonna use the NARS concealer. Oh wait, I always forget to do this. Oh my god. Becca Under Eye Brightener. You need this. It literally helps everything from not creasing. So I'm gonna use this, then blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in with the NARS concealer. I feel like I keep looking like right here instead of looking right there. So my bad. Okay, blending that out.
Can't even really play right now.
So I'm just gonna put a little of this on my forehead. And that's all for this concealer. Now I'm taking my Shape Tape concealer to get a little more coverage right there. I'm also going to use this down the center of my nose. Okay, so I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay. Here I'm playing Fortnite.
Yo, I'm getting hit from behind.
Okay, so now I'm gonna clean my brows off and then fill them in. I've been using this, the Ardell Stroke Brow, and I love this. And I also use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. So what I do is I take the Ardell and I draw the hairs, and then I fill everything else in with the powder. And you just draw them in like hair-like strokes. And it's really easy to use.
Yeah, what's motion sensitive?
And it just makes your brows look way more natural when you fill them in with the powder, just because you have all of the hair strokes already.
It's not even letting me jump. Yeah, I'm lagging bad.
Babe, how do you think I feel every time I play?
This is awful.
Thanks, I know.
Can't even play.
Why do you think I'm not good?
Is it always like this?
Yes, when I play with you, if I play by myself, I'm good. That's why I don't like playing with you sometimes, because I'm not that good. Okay, I'm gonna...
I just teleported. I'm done with
conversation. Okay, I'm gonna do some hair strokes up in the front, just like that. So before, after. And I'm gonna just clean everything up, and then I'm gonna fill everything else in with the Benefit powder. Oh my god, I keep dropping everything. So the powder really helps soften up like all of the pen strokes. Like here you can see this has the powder, this doesn't, and it just makes it look way more clean. So I'm going to take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and prime my lids. Okay, first I'm going in with the Kylie Summer Palette, and I'm going to take that shade right there into my crease. And I'm just packing it on the area where I want it. It's my first Kylie palette I'm trying out. So far I like it. Alright, so we're done. Just kidding. Now I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. I'm gonna take this yellow. I'm gonna be using Morphe M518. I'm gonna use this to just kind of blend this like orangish red out. Where's my Postmates? I'm hungry. Now I'm gonna take this shade in the Kylie palette. Oh, they have names. Oh my god, I didn't know that. Okay, what was the first one I used? Juicy, I think? Or Melon. Melon. And then now I'm using Suns Out, Buns Out. I don't know. Never mind, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use the Morphe M514. I'm gonna put this more into my crease. Okay, so I got that color on. Now I'm gonna go in with the first brush color. I have no new shadow on it, but I'm just gonna use this to blend this out a little more. This is the process that like everyone fast forwards through making their videos. So I'm just going back and forth with all your brushes. You might not need more color on them. Sometimes you do need a little more color on them, and you're just going back through all of them to keep blending everything out. Okay, I need like one more dark shade, I feel like, in my crease. I'm just gonna take a little of the black in the Kylie palette. I'm using the Morphe M508, this little brush. Just deepen this up a tiny bit. So I just cut my crease with my concealer. Now I'm going to fill the rest in. So I went over my crease a little. That way, anywhere it folds, my lid shade will not transfer. So first, I'm gonna take the first shade in the Kylie palette in a Morphe M421, and I'm gonna put this on the inner half. I'm gonna spray the brush a little too. Tell you what, the shade's almost acting more as like a topper. So I'm gonna put a different color underneath it. I'm gonna use the shade Beam in the Jaclyn Hill palette first. Oh yeah, that's way more pigmented. The other was more of like a glitter topper kind of shade. I'm gonna take the orange like metallic from the Kylie palette, one right there. I'm gonna put that on the outer here and buff it into it. And then let's go in with that topper shade from the Kylie palette too, back on top of this color now. Okay, now I'm taking a Morphe M432 and I'm gonna take the purple mixed with the black shade right here to do that and connect them. Okay, so I just put on clear brow gel. I did the Urban Decay Alkaline liner on my lash line. I put a little bit of liquid liner on the top just to cover my false lashes when I put them on, and I've also put my mascara on. So just get the bottom mascara to finish the face up. So I'm going to bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Then I'm going to use the Hoola Bronzer from Benefit to contour. So I'm going to contour my nose real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use the Tarte blush in Sensual, and for highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm just tap over it with my sponge. And then I'm going to go in with the Tarte blush. And then I'm going to apply a little more on the inner corners and some up on the brow bone. I do my hair, put lashes on, and then I'll come back to do my lip. Okay, so I just did my hair, and I'm just gonna put my lip on and finish up. Oh, and I have my lashes on. I'm wearing Tarte Center of Attention. I set my face with these two. This is the Ben Nye Final Seal Tatcha Luminous Spray. I feel like I just need more blush. You guys like my hair? I tried one of those like Instagram hack videos where you like put your hair up in a ponytail and then you just curl the ponytail and then take your hair down, and it looks all perfect and it worked. My hair looks good. It's just like messy curls. I dig it. I'm going to take the Kylie lip liner in the shade Exposed. So this is not dark enough for what I want. Never mind. I'm going to use the shade Malibu from Kylie. Then I'm going to use Exposed on top. And then I'm going to use the Lip Kit Libra. And last but not least, a little bit of Kimberly from KKW x Kylie. Just right in the same area. And this is the final look, guys. I'm gonna hurry up and get to BeautyCon now. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!